Now we're looking at the practice problems for lesson 2. This is going to be number 1, and it's asking us to find if triangles DEF and UVW are similar. And so, well, it's saying that these two triangles are similar, and it gives us a proportion. And we want to know, is the following true? So if we draw a picture and try to visualize what this is asking, if DEF and UVW are similar, and we don't really know the specific shape of these triangles, but we can guess. I mean, it's a triangle, so we can kind of see, okay, if they're similar, then they're going to be the same exact shape. However, they might be different sizes. So you can see if this is DEF and this is UVW, then the sizes the shapes are different. Oh my gosh, the shapes are the same, but the sizes are different. The shapes are the same, but the sizes are different. You can see that clearly the one on the right is bigger, okay? One of the biggest things we have to be mindful of is when we are labeling this and then comparing it with the label of this, the order in which we put those letters matters, okay? So if we write DEF, then D is going to correspond with U. E is going to correspond with V. F is going to correspond with W. So we have to make sure that they're in the exact same spot, okay? So when we're seeing if DE, right, and UV, well, let's match those up. Let's see if DE and UV are in the same spot. Okay, so we have DE right here, and then UV is this side right here. Well, they're clearly in the same spot. So the left side is good. Now let's look at the right-hand side. Is VW and EF, are they in the same spot? Okay, well, we have VW and EF. Those are in the same spot. However, and this is going to be a really important, tricky detail. Look at this. What we see here is in the numerator of this fraction, we have DE first. We have DE first, but then in the other fraction, we have VW first. So you have to keep it consistent. If we have our fraction, this, if that's DE is on top right here, then EF would have to be on top as well. But it's clearly not true. So this fraction, this proportion, is not a true proportion, right? However, a true proportion might look like this, where we have DE over UV equals EF divided by VW, right? So you see that these two come from the same fraction, or come from the same triangle, and so they would have to be in the same spot of their respective ratios. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in. The proportion is not true. We'll check that answer. Correct.